Matet represents the silent heroes of JG Sok and the whole Gokong Wei group. She feels more fulfilled kapag nakakatulong siya.
I'm from HR, so I handle benefits, well-being, and compliance. So, direct yung impact sa employee. So, halos araw-araw, nakikipag-usap ako sa mga employees. Sa akin kasi, it's not just a job. It is more of a mission. I believe kasi I was chosen to be here for a purpose. To be honest, hindi ko talaga ina-expect na manonominate ako. So, para sa akin, ginagawa ko lang yung trabaho ko. Siguro, nagpapasalamat lang ako kasi na-appreciate ng management yung ginagawa ko, especially during pandemic. Tinatawagan ko talaga yung employees namin. So, hindi ko na hinihintay na hingi nila yon or i-request yung assistance na yon. I want them to feel na may makikinig sa kanila even before they ask for it.
Before pa akong operahan, nandun na si Mama Ted. Hindi ko pa naman siya na-approach, pero meron na agad siyang mga pwedeng ma-assist sa akin. Thank you very much, Mama Ted. Hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi ko alam kung nandito ba ako or wala na. So, thank you.
There was one case na hindi ko talaga siya tinigilan kasi critical yung case. There are times na even late nights or madaling araw, kailangan niyang tumawag. So, I had to be there to listen. Hindi na lang bilang HR, but as a friend na din. Again, you go the extra mile na. It's not my job anymore. But I had to be there for the employee. Ako siguro yung pinaka-nasaktan nung nawala siya.
During po na nasa ICU si Papa, every now and then, ina-update po ako ni Mama Ted po dun sa process. Tinatanong niya din po ako kung kumusta na ako. Kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi ako mabubuhayan ng loob para matulungan yung family ko po.
During the pandemic kasi business as usual ang JG Sok. Hindi kami nawala ng trabaho, hindi tumigil yung sweldo, yung benefits, tuloy-tuloy pa din siya. So, feel namin yung support talaga ng management sa aming lahat. Madami yung COVID cases. During that time, na-realize ko yung value ng trabaho ko. Pinagpe-pray ko na lang talaga na sana hindi ako magkasakit para lagi akong nandyan.
Her being compassionate, her integrity, kasi she would really do everything right. Kahit mas mahirap, she makes sure that she does it correctly. We cannot just do things dahil sinabi ni boss, gano'n. No, hindi. Ano ba yung tama?
She will do the right thing and kahit pa walang nakakakita, gagawin niya kung ano yung tama. So, isa pa akong ibibigay kay Ate Matet.
The win of Matet is basically the win of the entire HR team. Yung malasakit sa grupo, it's felt, and we would like to thank them for that and for them to continue doing what they do.
Mama Ted, so deserve mo lahat ng mga awards and recognition. Dati pa lang, walang ganyan. Ikaw na yung panalo para sa akin. You're one of a kind.
Proud ako at masaya ako na tumagal ako ng more than 7 years sa Gokong Wei Group kasi yung alam mong merong same values as yours. With the leadership of Mr. Arnel, I am positive and confident na magiging maganda yung pagpapalakad niya sa JG Sok. Especially kasi yung focus niya nga yung mga tao, which is very important sa company.
She respects people, but very firm on her stand on what is good. And I think that's really something that very consistent in Matet from day one until now.
I want them to be inspired. Gusto kong wag silang mapagod gawin yung tama. Even walang nakakakita, even walang nakaka-recognize. Because I believe someone up there recognizes and sees it.